Hi everyone, I've been getting lots of questions about how to edit your course homepage. So I'm going to go through it very quickly, specifically with regards to your navigation bar at the top. First thing to remember, there's two sections on your home screen. The first one is the home page, which involves this section of your screen. It determines the layout of, so you want your calendar on the left side, news on the right. So if you edit your home page, this is what you're editing, basically the layout. If you do navigation and themes, you're editing this section of your home page up here. So I'm going to go to Edit Course. I am then going to go, rather than home pages, I'm not doing that right now, I'm going to edit Navigation and Themes. Now, right now, my active nav bar is set on default, and we'll come back to that in a minute. But basically, this is your navigation bar up here. What we want to do first is we want to edit in here. Maybe you're at a school and you want to put your logo in here and change some pictures and whatnot. So this is under Themes. So I'm going to go to Themes, and you know what, to keep it simple, I'm just going to sort of change this theme a little bit. So I know that this theme right here is called NNDSB Green. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to find NNDSB Home Green. Notice I can't click on it, won't let me click on it. So what I need to do is I need to make a copy. So I'm going to click on copy, and there's the copy right there. Notice now I can click on it. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to rename it just so it's something I can recognize. And this is actually a geography course. You can name it whatever you want, put your name on in there, just so it's quick to find. Now the setup here, this is set as classic. You can change that, but so we'll just leave that the same. But let's say I just want to put my school logo in here. So here is basically the layout, and it does take some trial and error to figure out where everything goes. And down here what's nice is it gives you a preview of the changes you've made. So I want to change the logo. Well, right here it says left logo. Okay, so I need to find a picture of a logo first. So I'm going to go onto the internet. I'm going to go to our board website. And then I'm going to simply go to schools. And my particular page that I'm working on for someone right now is at Phelps. So I'm going to find Phelps. It'll bring me to the Phelps homepage. And the reason I want to go here is because I want to get a copy of the logo. So I'm going to right click on the logo, and I'm going to save image as, and here it's called school logo. I'll just save that on my desktop so I can find it quickly. Okay, so then I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to click on left logo, and I want to change it. So here's the file that's currently there. It's the near north logo. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add file. The file I want to add is the logo that I saved. And choose file. School logo. It was right on my desktop. And I'm going to upload. And what's nice, so now I've got school logo in there. If I scroll down, very quickly I can see that the logo has been put in to the preview. The next thing I'm going to do is, maybe because the school colors are red and black, I'm going to change this around a bit. So I've got green right now. So I'm going to go back up here, hide properties, and I'm going to say top background, I believe, is this green bar here. And just delete that out. Okay. And then I'm going to say background color, and let's go with red. and notice it changed to red here. So and then I want to go hide properties. So I just changed top background, that area. I'm going to change bottom background. And again, they have an image in there, so you're going to want to take it out. And then background color, I'll make that red. And then if I go down and I look at the preview, you can see that now I have the school logo, I have red on the top and bottom, and I haven't changed this graphic here. The next thing I want to do, and this is actually a new feature, is you can actually change the color of the left and right sides of the page. So if I click on left here, and this is kind of neat, you can get creative, I'm going to say I want a gradient. So it's going to go from one color to another. So I'm going to say go from, I'll just pick a darker red here, to black, because these school colors are red and black. And I'll look down. Notice here, this is now filled in from red to black. Then I need to hide properties, right page background, and again gradient, and I'm going to go from red to black. And if I scroll down and I look, I can see that I've got a gradient fill on the left and right. So by using your preview down here and using all these spots, you can really add some customization to your web pages. So now I'm just going to save and close, but it's not going to automatically update my navbar. There's a few more steps that I need to take. Okay, so now you can see that my theme geography is right there. I'm going to go back to navbars. And currently my navbar is this default. Well, again, I would need to change that, so I'm going to make a copy. And then can click on copy. And notice here an NDSB home green. Well, that's not what I want. I want my geography one that I put my own school logo in. So I'm going to say change theme there. I'm going to go find, oh, there it is, geography, update. And then if I scroll down, you can also change your links here as well, but I won't do that right now. I'm going to hit save and close. And once the page reloads, actually no, not yet. The next thing I need to do is active navbar. It says default. Well, the one I want is course default copy. So I find it in my list and then I hit apply, and now my navbar should change once my page loads. So now you can see I've got my school logo in and I've added some customization. So if I go to course home, there we go. The other neat thing you can do with your widgets, if you want to get them to match your color scheme, is you can style a widget. Now for some reason I've noticed this happening. You've got to do this in one step. So default, I'm going to say color, I want black, so that's the writing. So calendar will be black, but then I want the actual navbar to be red to match my color scheme. I'm going to hit save. And now you can see that that matches up. So I can continue to do that to all my widgets, and then I'll have a nicely customized homepage. Hope this helps.